here's how to add a Discord link to your TikTok profile. So we're going to open up Discord first. And so we're going to find the Discord server that we want to share. On the top, it has the 3 dots. You want to click on that. And then now you want to click on invite right over here. So then here's your Discord link. However, I'm going to change it in the skier icon, and I'm going to change it to never, meaning that the link will never expire. So now that we have the new link, we're just going to simply click on it. And then as you can see, it says link copied. So we have copied the link. So now we're going to exit out of the Discord app and then go into TikTok. Once we're in TikTok, what you want to do is hit on the 3 bars at the top right corner. And then now you want to click on settings and privacy. Once you're in settings and privacy, you want to click on account at the very top. And as you can see, my account right here says switch to personal account, meaning that my account is currently a business account. So for this to work, you need to have a business account. So just simply click on that and then switch it to a business if you haven't already. So now once you have a business account, you want to exit out. And then now you want to, in your profile, click on edit profile right over here. And now what you want to do is click on bio and then simply paste the Discord link. However, when you click on save, the link will not be clickable. In order for it to be clickable, you need 1,000 followers on TikTok. And then right over here under around like email, a non-private business phone number, there's gonna be a category that says add link. And then so if you have 1,000 followers, then the link would be clickable.